Mga bossing, mga available units, Chevrolet Optra, ayan o, 2008, 165 negotiable. Tapos meron tayo ditong Hyundai Matrix na automatic, malamig aircon yan, sobrang lamig. Bigay na lang natin yan ng 140 negotiable. Honda Civic BTI manual, 165 negotiable. Tapos meron tayo ditong automatic transmission mga boss, 165 negotiable. Tapos meron din tayo ditong Nissan Grandeur, ayan, 165 negotiable. Tapos ito Lancer Sedia, 175 negotiable. Suzuki Swift 265 negotiable. Toyota Small Body 69 negotiable. Tapos Suzuki Alto 155 negotiable mga bossing. Hyundai Ion 175 negotiable. Small Body 125 may negotiable. Toyota Wigo 2017 model G Variant 285 negotiable. Tapos ito Adventure 225 negotiable. Tapos yan Lancer Itlog 75 negotiable. Tapos meron tayo ditong Ford Focus na 2006 model manual, bigay na lang natin yan ng 155 negotiable. Tapos ito Mitsubishi GSR 145 negotiable. Mirage 2016 manual, 265 negotiable. Honda CR-V Gen 1, 185 negotiable. Tapos Nissan Almera 265 negotiable. Honda Civic Dimension 158 negotiable. Ito Honda Civic Dimension automatic 159 negotiable mga boss. Tapos ito Altis 175 negotiable. Automatic yan, automatic din to mga boss. 185 negotiable, 2010 model, Ford Focus hatchback. Tapos Mitsubishi Adventure na may kasamang red Ford white. Ito for the last Mitsubishi Adventure, yan 9-seater yan mga bossing. Bigay na lang natin yan ng 175 negotiable. Ayan, walk in na mga boss, napakarami yan.